All right, welcome back to Rashad's Garage. Kind of speaking to you guys from the future. All the events in the video happened. I'm just going back doing my intro. Had a lot going on. Had a friend who passed away. Some of my friends came in out of town, and yeah, I didn't really get a chance to work on this. It's been like a while since I shot a video or recorded at all. But yeah, I'll get into what I did do before they came into town, and yeah, I'll check back in with you guys at the end of the video. So I'm getting ready for work, and I just thought about something. I don't want you guys thinking that I forgot about this. I just been busy with like work, buying and selling cars, and then stuff around the house. I just moved in not even 6 months ago, so I haven't forgot about this. I've been actually missing driving it to work because now I'm stuck. Well, not necessarily stuck with this because it's not a bad thing, but I'm driving this to work. It's pretty chilly today. Can't drive the truck. Well, I mean, I can, but I'm not gonna drive it with the trailer, and I gotta go pick up another car. But hopefully later today, I can start taking apart that rear axle and fixing the locker. You already know what it is. But this one didn't come from Offroad, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. This one came from a friend. They just needed it gone. They did work for someone, and that someone paid them in a vehicle. So I ended up getting this 87 or 86 Hardbody. As you can see, everything is just mint under here. Like it's dusty, but everything is mint. Like some new parts already. You got some zip ties going on over there. I don't know what for. I don't know if this is factory. I don't think that's. I don't know. I've never seen the oil filter on the older truck up there, but has that going on for it. The only thing is the master cylinder is not good. I gotta replace that, which ain't too much work. Y'all know the battle on the Jeep. I swapped it. But yeah, this truck is clean. Came with a camper shell. Old Nissan. Old manual. Sunroof, my favorite part. Has a bed shell. A lot of my friends know, but I never really said it to you guys. I've always wanted one of these. I can't really drive it right now. I was able to move it over here. But I've always wanted one of these. But something I didn't want, but the deal came with, a boat. I did not want the boat. But the boat is supposed to run and float and all that fun stuff, so we'll see. Today I'm not gonna focus on that too much. I'm focusing on this. This still needs the locker fix and a few other things, so once it warms up a little bit, I'm gonna get started on this. So all I did was take the master cylinder cap off, and I started pumping it, and it got firmer and firmer, the pedal, and it works. So as of right now, I don't think I gotta put any money into it. Yes, I do gotta clean it. Yes, I gotta put the door panel back on. But all the windows work in it, and it even has a sunroof, one of my favorite things on cars. So yeah, this one's definitely gonna be hard not to get rid of because I really like this little truck. I had to give this old grandpa truck a bath. It was real dirty on the outside. When I get back home, I'm gonna clean up the interior, but I still gotta work on my Jeep, so I can't neglect that. I didn't want to wash this and take it for a quick drive. It is very dusty. You can see that, like it's caked with dust, but I'm gonna get it right. And then if anybody knows, it says that sub tank and main tank. Does this have another tank, and where's the button for it? Oh crap, the window leaks. That sucks. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys. So I took the truck through the car wash and the vent flew off. So let's just put that back on. And got that little clip. There we go. Yeah, they just brought it to me. But for a 86, 87, this thing cleans up nice. So I was gonna work on the Jeep, but I had to go pick up my nephew from school because he's sick. So I decided just to take this. It does get a little shaky on the highway, but I'm guessing these tires might have a flat spot on them. I think this truck was sitting for a while, but it's doing 55. I was doing 65. I'm not pushing this like a race car. I don't want to break anything, but it's doing good. Took the locker out. This kind of looks rounded off. Like where the locker grabs at. Unlike these. I mean, it kind of look the same, but I think this was my problem. These were all chewed up. All 4 of them. Chewed up pretty bad. I already put the new ones in. And I'm about to put the locker back in, so wish me luck. All right, so I put the locker back together. The pins that hold the springs, I replaced those because the ones that were in my Jeep were kind of damaged. So I think I fixed it. Usually it would pop and bang when I'm on a turn, but let's see. I'm about to put it in some dirt. I mean, I could. So I just took it for a test drive. My locker's just done. I'll circle the part in the locker that I think is ruined. But yeah, so I think it's time that I just rip off the Band-Aid. So I tried to drive the Nissan up this side. Made it up, and since I had to open axles, it just kept spinning. And I don't want to beat up on the thing. I mean, it's a old truck, really well taken care of. I just don't want to beat up on it. So I ended up taking it up this side. A little easier. Might do some exploring out here. But like I said, I don't want to beat up the truck. Already got some stuff in the hitch. But yeah, me and my wife are just hanging out here, testing out the truck. All right, just closing out this video. It's been a couple days since I last recorded. I had a funeral to go to. One of my childhood friends passed away, so I've been dealing with that. I had friends come into town. My life was never easy. Yeah, it was fun, but sad at the same time.
Easy. In this day, it's crazy. I kind of want people to see my ID, you know.
Arthur's 30.
Damn, it's 12.
How old are you?
I just turned 30.
That sucks. 30, bro.
Well, we're coming next month, so, or in 2 months. I got his hat that he always wears, or he always used to wear up here, to remember him by, and a few other things. But I like this placement. I see it when I come in. So yeah, while my friends were here, they flew out from Utah. We were all good friends, best friends since we're younger. Had some fun. The rear diffuser did fly off the Z. I took them for a pull in it, so that sucks. Got to get a new one. Those ain't cheap. We tried driving a Jeep, but it's broke. So I actually ordered a new locker and C-clip eliminator for this. So if I understand it right, my tires should stick out just a little more just from the C-clip eliminator. So that's gonna be good. Can finally drive this to work. Like always, the truck is a truck. My wife's car is my wife's car, same thing, nothing changed. And the Hardbody, I've been driving it the last 2 days. It's been great. Put the door panel back on, and I still have the boat on the other side. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot of moving pieces. I got some cool stuff, or some more stuff coming in, so stay tuned for that. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe for more.